Are you tired of heat and load shedding? Then today's video is going to be very useful for you. Today we are talking about the GFC AC DC ceiling fan. A fan that works whether electricity is available or not. This fan runs on AC electricity and also works easily on DC battery or solar system. The best thing about this fan is that it consumes less power and gives strong airflow. During load shedding, this fan keeps running and provides cool air. Whether it's your home, shop, or office. The GFC AC DC ceiling fan delivers excellent performance everywhere. If you want to stay comfortable during hot weather, then the GFC AC DC ceiling fan is a great choice. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and press the bell icon for more helpful videos.